Okay, so before we end this lecture, I want to introduce a few terminologies which were used in later part of this course. One is the negative selection. So we say negative selection. And what do we really mean is the mutations occur at a particular gene cause a deleterious effect. In that case, natural selection will easily remove them. For example, there are some important human disease are caused by this type of mutation. And we call it negative selection. Showing here is like it's a population if everybody carry an A allele, so this is very simplified version. Then there's a mutation happen from A to C. Then if this C cause a deleterious effect, the individual carried this mutation show lower fitness compared to the rest of the population. And we won't be able to see the frequency increase of this mutation. So after one or several generations, the population back to monomorphic A. And the removal of this deleterious allele or deleterious site, and we call it negative selection. And a lot of human disease is like this. The disease allele usually at a very low frequency. The new allele occurred in the individual will be removed by natural selection. So this is called negative selection. And some people also call this type of selection as a purifying selection, because after purifying, everybody looks the same. So that's the meaning of this purifying selection. Another terminology we use is positive selection. Some people also say this is a Darwinian positive selection. And this positive selection talk about a good mutation. So the mutation increase the fitness of an individual. So this is to show you the B allele. Now the B allele after several generations populate the population. So you can see it's increase in frequency, especially in a very short time. Then if we observe this phenomena, we say this was operating by positive selection. And also because the B allele now is advantageous, so we also say it's an advantageous selection. Or some people just say, as I mentioned, Darwinism positive selection. So you can see clearly the B allele increase in frequency.